Hey guys, welcome back to Salt and Spoon. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our mini farm, homestead. I did a poll up on YouTube, a post a couple days ago, and asked which of the three choices, baking, piano, and farm tour, people would like to see of my videos, and farm tour got the highest votes. So that's what I'm doing. So this is our pasture, and right now in it has goats and also some sheep. In their summertime, this is where my bunny goes, and right now she's in the barn, but I'm gonna go show you her. There's some chickens out by the barn. Hey guys! Okay, so into the barn we go. So there is a bunny in here. She is in that little room back there. So that's her pen. And then right here we have some quail. Say hello. This is my sister's bunny, Molasses, and this is his pen. My bunny is right there, and her name is Raisin. I guess she's camera shy. So in the winter, usually most of the animals, the goats, the bunnies, sometimes the sheep, they come in the barn. We don't have cows right now, but sometimes in the summer we do get cows. This is where the goats are living right now when they're not out in the pasture, because it's winter and they just kind of like to be in a cozy spot. So I'm going to show you the chicken pen. I'm obviously in the barn right now. That's upstairs. And we recently just built this chicken coop into the barn. So it's pretty cool. I have two cats around here somewhere, but I'm not sure where they are. Mickey and Zeke are their names, though. So, oh, there's one laying an egg back there. That's the door that they go out to free range. Yeah. And then they roost there at night. Let's see if there's any eggs right now besides one she's laying. I don't think I see any. Alright, be back later. Side pasture out that window. Upstairs. So this is my dad's tractor, my mom's four-wheeler, all of our four-wheeler kind of, lawnmowers. It's where we keep the hay up here. And right here is actually where the hay drops down. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I see a kitty. Hey, buddy. They both back here? They are both back here. So there's a cat. Camera. Mickey. Mickey. One's coming. We also keep shovels, stuff here. Extra wood. Hey, buddy. Come here, buddy. So this is Zeke. Okay. Hi, buddy. Back downstairs. Oh, and I guess I can show you this is where my dad is going to keep his new cars that he is going to get. I can open this unless it comes out this way. I guess I won't open it because I can't open it. Plus there's a car in there right now, so I'm just not gonna mess with that. It's off to the chickens. Over there is our greenhouse. My mom's greenhouse. And the chicken coops are over here. Berry bushes right there in the summer, but not right now, obviously. And there's our pool, but obviously it's closed. Oh, stop. last but not least stop, here's our chickens. See, are there any eggs? Nope. No eggs. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment down below and any other things that you might like to see. Maybe I could do a summer tour of our garden. So thank you. Bye.